Coolest truck on the yard goes to this one right here. I was walking through the yard and I saw this truck and I immediately stopped in my tracks, knew it was going to be the truck of the week. When I was talking with the driver of this truck, Chris, he said that he wanted to honor his fellow veterans. Chris actually served in the Marines and said he had family members in all branches besides the Coast Guard. Thank you so much, Chris, for your design. Thank you so much for your service, and happy Driver Appreciation Week. Make sure to tune in next week for a Coolest Truck on the Yard.